Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the second regular puzzle at Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, August the 14th, 2024. It's also today war day number 903. 903 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. All right. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one, the 4 Star Sudoku number 9089. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. Usually the 4 Star Sudoku has 24, this one has 26, should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Well. Thinking. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the second row. For numbers, the 1 and 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. So the only place left with the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the last row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so what are these 3 missing numbers then in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, so 1 digit left in this column for number 3. Alright. 3, 3. Need a 7 here, okay. 8. Need a 4. 8, 4. Need a 3. Need a 1. Okay. And now. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. Oh, wait. Let me do this first. 2 in the first column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. These 2 are reserved for the 4 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle column. So no 5 there. So the 5 should be there. 179, okay. Then, let me think. 3 missing numbers now. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179. Let me put those numbers here. 179. Okay, so we have a 9 in this column. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In the 2 there. Then how about need an 8 here, need a 1 here. Let me think. The 7 should be here. No 7 here. 3, need a 3 there. Well, I need a 9 here. Need a 4. No 4. Need a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left of the 2 should be there. 9. How about the 4, the 3, the 7? Need a 7 here. 9, 7. Need a 6 here. 17948. And the 1 here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Need a 6 there. And I need a... Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column 3. Only 2 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 5 is a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that the other 2 numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 179, okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Need 8 here. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 3, 4. Okay, and now. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers, no. 1, 7 and a 9. 1, 9. Okay. Then 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in this middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8. We have 8 now in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. So the other 2 should be the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. Yeah, need to wait. Okay. Then need a 6 here, and I need a 1 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left, 8 should be here, or there we have 8 in the first one, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then. How about the 3? 3 here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Well, how about these 2 missing numbers in the second row? The 1 and the 6 are missing here. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 6. So we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 1 box left now in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then 5 and the 7, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and that 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. I believe 2 numbers left here, 7 and 9. Here should be also 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 9. And the final number in this big square for number 7. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Wow. Although it has 4 stars, so I don't think it's a 4 stars. 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.